we are going to add comment to our application, and we are done with the notification in the previous video. So let's focus on the commenting of a post. On the back end, we already have the model for the comment, which is this. So this is going to be one-to-many relationship, and that is one post can have many comments, and one comment will belong to a single post. And these are the properties: the content for the comment, the creator, and then the post that the user wants to comment, and that is it. So let's go ahead and then create the controller for the comment. And to make our life easier, I'm gonna copy the category one and rename to comment, and the file name also to comment controller. And let's rename this one to comment controller. Let me change this one to create comment, and here as just create. And let's remove everything from here with the exception of the sending of the response. So first, we will need the post ID and then the content that the user wants to provide. After that, we have to get the actual content. And then we will go ahead and then create the comment. Let me change the color to this. And here we will say that create the comment, and also lastly push the comment to the post, and lastly send the response. So here we have to find the post that we want to comment. For this one, we don't need fetching of all the comment. Go away. And then for the single comment also, we don't need it. And for the deleting, maybe we may need it in future. So let me give it as an empty payload or content. And then for update also, maybe you may need it. So let's focus on the creating of the comment. So here, how can we find the post ID? Remember, on the front end is going to be something like this. And here we have the form, and we already have the comment ID here as that. So we can get it from the params. But when making the request, we can pass this one as part of the payload. So here I will say that const, and I'm going to destructure from the rec.body, and here as the post ID, and then the actual content for the comment. And here let's find the post. Find by ID and then the post ID. If there is no post, we will say that post not found. And here let's create the comment. So the comment model, the auto import is fine. Well, it is not working. Let's resave. Alright, and then we're gonna use new to create the comment so that we can push into the post itself, or we can just use .create here and then provide the properties. It needs the content and also the author, and you can get it from the user ID or rec.user. And lastly, the post that we want to comment as the post ID. And let's assign to comment created, which is equal to await that. Let's remove this one to this place. All right. And now let's push the comment to the post. So here we have the post here. So here on the post, we have the comment, and then dot push, and then push the comment created, and let's use the underscore ID. And last step is that we have to resave the post as post.save. All right, and that is it. And lastly, let's send the response as the comment created, and we will say that comment created successfully. So let's go ahead and then mount this particular controller. Let me remove this, and then on the router here, copy and paste for the category and change this one to comment, and then the file name as comment router, and then rename this one to comment router, and here as create comment. We don't need any of these ones for the creation unless you are logged in. Let's bring in the comment controller and then use the create on that. Awesome. And last step is let's mount it at the main file, and here as comment router, and change this one to comment. All right, so moment of truth. Now back here, let me copy this and paste, and let me rename this one to comment, and remove these ones for the create. Change this one to comment, and let's try. As you can see, not authorized. Let's log in. Invalid login credentials. It's called masync. Perfect. Logged in. Save it. And now I can create host not found. So it means that I have to provide the host ID and then the actual content. All right, so let's fetch a post. Let me say all post here. I got it. Let me copy this ID for the first one. Check on that. Here we have it as an empty array, but after commenting, I will say that excellent post. Now let's try moment of truth, and now the comment has been created and then associated to the author and then the post. So if I fetch all the post for the first one, let's see for the comment, and now we have the comment here. So it means that upon fetching a single comment, we want to populate this. Let me show you what I mean here. Let me copy this ID for this post and then fetch a single post, provide as that. And now let's look at the comment. As you can see here that it is an IDs of the comment. And on the front end, I want to display the list of the comment. So let's get into the fetching a single comment. Sorry, the post instead, which is this. And let's scroll down. This one is for all, and here we go. Let's populate the comment, and let's see if I fetch. Now on the comment, here we go, we got it, but I want to associate or display the name of the author of the comment, and here we have it as an ID. So we have to do what is called nesting population or populating. So now it's going to be as this. Instead of using this format, we're going to use object and then specify the path. The path here is the comment, and then inside we are going to populate, use this, and provide a path, and the path here is going to be the author. Now with this one, let's see, and if I check, as you can see here that we have the actual content, and then in the author we have it as the author, and now I can use the username on the front end. Awesome. Let's continue in the next video.